Mirabook tutorial video. How to add applications. Start Google Play on Mirabook screen. Select and install the applications you want to use, just how you would do on your smartphone. The applications installed through Mirabook will appear on your smartphone as well. To pin an application on the desktop screen, first click on the icon in the lower left corner of the screen. This will open the application list. Next, right-click the icon of the application that you want to register. Select Add to Home to add it to your desktop screen. Laptops? No, I have Mirabook.